Welcome to your new home. This 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, 2-story home is conveniently located in the O5, just off of North Anthony and just a few blocks south of Coliseum Boulevard. With over 2,000 square feet, you'll find plenty of room for everyone and everything, including a finished basement. There's been a ton of new updates that include gorgeous new flooring, and you can relax knowing that the basement has waterproofing system installed around the entire perimeter of the home and offers a transferable warranty to the new homeowner. Plenty of the classic charm and characteristics have been preserved, from the welcoming curved arch covered front porch and doorways to the built-ins in the dining room and built-in bench in the living room with tons of windows and a cozy fireplace to provide the perfect reading nook. The kitchen is spacious and offers plenty of cabinet and counter space, with the upper cabinets in a crisp white finish and the lower in a soft gray. Enjoy great outdoor entertaining and dining on the Trex deck covered with a gorgeous pergola and lush landscaping. To schedule your showing, pick up the phone and call Jeremy Garner right away.